Hello. It's been a long time. I know I've been MIA for like 5 months. No excuses, but I'm back and it's the last month of spring and I'm meeting my friend who's visiting from Malaysia, so I thought this is the great chance to do a vlog. So we're gonna go to Hongdae, eat some Korean food, go to a cute cafe, the normal things you would do in Korea. So I hope you enjoy it either way. Let's go. Which is a Ghibli themed cafe specifically for Kiki delivery service. Look, we got a Dutch pancake and plum cake, whatever, but it's a green tea flavor, and then 2 sodas. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is the seasonal fruit Dutch pancake.
That's glamorous. I love it.
The season fruit is shine muscat. Woo. My friend got, what are those?
Like random badges.
Okay.
So these are the designs that are available in here. I don't like any of them, except maybe this one because Vivian doesn't like it. Okay, open the first one first.
Okay.
Vivian picked that one. Well, it's yellow, so it could either be
Oh, this one's okay.
owl or this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We also brought matching rings.
Which we're gonna wear it later.
Yes, it only fits one of my fingers, but it's so cute. Friendship ring.
Okay,
It is this. That's my favorite scene. That is my favorite scene in House of Cards. He's dying of the heat. It's Woody. We came here for the yakisoba bread, which is at the top there.
She got that bread, that matcha bread, and the yakisoba.
If you've been to Japan, you know how good yakisoba bread is. my friend got it.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna
give
try
me
it.
your thoughts.
Okay.
I definitely recommend.
If you want to find it in Seoul, you can come here. It's somewhere in Hongdae.
Oh, bluebird. Bluebird.
There, it's like a light bulb moment.
It's like the Naruto song. Oh, that's blue sky. I'm no soda.
I don't know Japanese, sorry.
Let's go back to the next store.
Okay, lead the way.
Oh, at the back? You can put this at the back. I like green and blue. So we've chosen this sticker. It's very Korean style. And it says Seoul. We're gonna put it on the sleeve. Sleeve?
Just get fine.
Oh, it's cute. So she added this one and then the Seoul one. I think it's cute. Not too much, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's is it 1,000? Oh, I don't need it. So I'm gonna put. Okay. We got BAC chicken.
Oh my god, I will take 20 years to open this.
I'm
sorry.
Cheese balls, and then the best thing, obviously, is pudding chicken. I'm gonna go for the small one here. Oh, it's not small. Ta-da! 잘 먹겠습니다.